Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're looking at how you can use the paid out PO function to pay a supplier or register money going out of the till on the ER180U. So for example, if you need to pay the window cleaner £10 and you want to take the money out of the till, you can record this properly on the register so that it appears on your end of day report. All you need to do is to make sure you're logged in into the reg mode, which we are because we've got REG on the display. If you're not sure what mode you're in, 99 mode will confirm that, and then if you're not in the reg mode, if you press free mode, it will jump you to the reg mode. Okay, then to enter or to take the money out, the paid out PO button is here, the paid out button. Press it once, enter the monies being removed without pressing decimal point. Then hit the method, so in this case it's cash, and then finish by pressing PO again. The drawer file is open, enabling you to remove the money. If you've got the receipt switched on, it will print out. As long as you're in your receipt mode, you can issue a receipt for it. What I recommend doing with these is putting them in the till, so you can now see that paid out is on the receipt as £10. This will also appear on your end of day report. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. I've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the ER180Us. So some of those will be appearing on screen now, so you can check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more.